Hi everyone, again this is Kirti from Shine Kids Care Academy. Today we are going to learn first group, fifth letter, that is M. As we have clear objective, in this video we are going to learn a letter name, letter action, letter sound, words, rhymes and then story. Letter name is M. Once again, M. Letter sound is Once again, It has an action, right? That is, rub your tummy as if you are seeing a tasty food and say Once again, This was the action for letter M. And now we are going to learn few words which has a starting sound of letter M. That is mother, money, man, monkey. Yes, so now we have learned few words. And now we are going to learn a rhyme for letter M. That is, the mom and dad make many meals. The mom and dad make many meals for their hungry children. Once again, the mom and dad make many meals. The mom and dad make many meals for their hungry children. Yes, this is what the rhyme for letter M. And now we are going to learn a story for letter M. Shall we? Letter M. Milana and the Magician. Milana is a little magician. She has a magical mat. She can change a mushroom into a mango. One morning, her mother sent her to the market to buy milk and muffins. Milana meets a little boy on her way. "What's your name? Will you be my friend?" she asked. "My name is Mojo," he says. Milana gives him a muffin and says, "Come, let's sit on the magical mat." Yes, I hope you people have seen a story, and now we are going to learn one more tongue twister which has just two words. That is elegant elephant. Once again, elegant elephant. So this we are going to say 5 times continuously without mistake. Shall we? Elegant elephant, elegant elephant, elegant elephant, elegant elephant, elegant elephant. And then we are going to learn one more brain activity, that is to improve our kids' concentration level. Moreover, that will strengthen our mind also. Shall we? Yes, you just show your hand like this and you have to place a hand like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, this is just a try so that kids also will learn something. Yes, I hope you people have enjoyed this video. If any changes to be done, let me know. Thanks for your support.